All right, guys, we got a 2021 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 112. One more. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. 21 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Boom. Right there. Beautiful color. Beautiful car. Anyways, he went all the way to Atlanta to pick it up and brought it back to us to get the exhaust done. This is the second car we do for him. So we appreciate him coming in. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Factory X-pipe there. Then we did a mid-delete, as you guys can see there. Then we left the valves in, there and there. Rear delete, there and there. Into some beautiful 5-inch signature tips. Out the back to complete the look, as you guys can see. Right there and right there. There's the mids that were on it. There's the mids there, and the rears, and the stock tips that we took off. It's got some rubber from burning some tires. We ain't gonna talk about that. That's what they're made for. Anyways, that's what it looks like, guys. A lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Tell me, what do you think the decibels will be? It's alive. Here's sound decibels. 122. Still 122. I was close. Yeah. So much better. That never gets old, man. Go ahead and back it out. Really nice idle to it too. You feel that in your chest, man. It's so crazy. Those tips look so good on it too. It's clean all the way around. I'll let you guys hear on there. Charger 2021 Hellcat. Wide body. Look at that stance on this beast, man. It's beautiful. Hopefully it'll give us a nice takeoff. See?